Good day, everyone. Learn how to create bookmarks on Windows 11 in Google Chrome and also create a folder in it. So you have a lot of bookmarks to create and you want folders in your bar. So the very first thing at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then go to bookmarks and list here. Bookmarks and list and select show bookmarks bar. The moment you do it, you will see a bookmark bar, and here I'll just do a right click and I'll click on add a folder. It will ask you to enter a name, so I'll mention the name, uh, let's say Sundays, or just like meetings like this. I'll click on save and I have this folder created right there. Now let's say if I want Canva as the bookmark, which is already there, and I just need to click on this star, and the moment you click on that, where exactly you want to save this. So I want to save it in my meetings folder, and I'll click on done. And now when I'll go, it is right there. So I have a lot of folders, and in the folders I can create and add numerous amount of bookmarks, like even Google. So let's say if I want to bookmark, I'll click on star and I'll save it to my meetings, which is a folder I've created, and I'll click on done. Now when I'll go, I see the Google right there. Alright, so this is how you can create bookmarks in Google Chrome and also in folders. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.